Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should launch App Gallery, and then here on the search pool we should enter the X Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why I tap here to install. And now just we should wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap here to open the app. Now, for example, let's use Ampere application, or for example the default app, for example the contacts. Let's use this one. We can here select one from the icons from this library, default icons. Also we can use photo from our device gallery, or just use the camera application to take a picture right now. For example, I'll go with the library photo, for example with this one. Then just tap here to OK in the right upper corner, tap to X and click to add. Now we can see that contact shortcuts created successfully. We can go to the desktop or change the next icon by the same way. Let's just see the new contacts icon here, and we can see and can also open this application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.